Hey guys, we're back with a set of incredibly useful gadgets for every man. As always, all the links to the products you'll find in the description below. And let us know in the comments which gadgets you'd like to see in our next videos. This little multi-tool might be a bit simple, but no less useful. It's super portable and almost weightless, but durable at the same time. The whole thing is made of stainless steel and coated with black titanium. So what do we have here? A variety of screwdrivers and wrenches, pry bar, bottle opener, and cutter. Cyclists will also appreciate the spoke spanner. Plus there's a file and nail cleaner, which is a must for a gentleman. Do you think all power banks look pretty much the same? Just take a look at this one. The transparent design is extremely eye-catching. You can clearly see the internal components, and most importantly, this thing has everything you need to charge all your devices. There are two USB-C ports along with a regular USB and DC output, delivering 100-watt fast charging. The power bank can charge up to 3 devices at a time. The built-in IPS screen displays all the settings and lets you quickly adjust them. And thanks to fast charging, the gadget itself fully charges in just 1.5 hours. It also features an advanced safety system that includes short circuit and extreme temperature protection. Last but not least, if you travel a lot, you should check out the additional solar panels. You know, some of the gadgets we find look unreal, but when you're ready to explore some real magic, Raid is your gateway into it. It's everywhere you go, on your phone, tablet, and PC. This fantasy world is growing bigger than ever. So of course we've left the link for you guys in the description box. Just in case you haven't tried the game yet, get ready to fight with the wildest and deadliest beasts, yet all of them are nothing compared to Hydra, the brand new clan boss with 6 heads. Each head has its own attack and has its own name. The head of Blight, the head of Torment, and the head of Mischief, not to mention the head of Wrath that triples its attack power, and the head of Decay that heals the other heads. But worst of all is the head of Suffering. You think that you do some damage to the beast, but your own champion suddenly shares its suffering. Yikes. But Raid isn't just about the monsters only. There are over 600 champions for any taste. When you enter the game, you have a bunch of different modes and events to choose from. You might practice your skills in the sparring pit, go to the dungeons to find some rare artifacts, or join a PvP battle. In our team, we're all into clan bosses. That's where you team up with your friends and go fight a huge monster. So we've got great news for you guys. Right now, Raid's giving away a super limited edition champion to every player in the game. Some of you may recognize esports legend and Navi superstar Simple. Between now and January 28th, 2022, Simple's limited edition champ is available for free to both new and old players in Raid. The time has come. Hit the link in the description or scan our QR code and you'll get an epic champion Vergus, 200k silver, 1 energy refill, and 1 XP boost, and 1 ancient shard, so you can summon awesome champions as soon as you get in-game. The rewards will be available only for the next 30 days and only for new players. Meet you on the battlefield. And here's the most portable camp saw you could ever imagine. When folded, it turns into a little flat stick that easily fits your bag. Yet this thing is actually equipped with a powerful 12-inch saw. Using the full length of the blade with 4 pivot points, you can quickly cut even large logs, and you might replace the blade whenever it gets dull. As for the rubberized textured handle, it makes sure the tool stays really firm in your hand. You better get this thing before your next trip. Every fisherman will appreciate this new handy multi-tool. It has everything you need for quick and precise line management. Overall, this thing has 6 different functions. First, there's this spinning hook vise, which saves you from holding the hook with your fingers while tying the knot. Second, you get a special cleaning spike that removes the debris in the old line, clearing some space for the new one. On top of that, the tool includes a hook threader along with foldable serrated scissors that can handle even the thickest lines. You can even drag the line through this cutter without taking the tool out of your pocket, and thanks to the built-in crimper, this thing also acts as pliers. Use the pocket clip or tether ring for effortless carrying. What about a tiny flashlight for your keychain? It's small yet mighty, delivering up to 40 lumen brightness. That gives you about 50 feet of effective range, although there's a low mode as well, in case you need to save the battery. By the way, this thing charges via USB-C and lasts up to 11 hours on one charge. And thanks to the built-in D-ring, the light's always with you, on your keychain, belt, and a backpack. This is probably the cleanest razor we've ever seen. The all-aluminum body has this nice curve curve to it, and there are 3 swappable heads to choose from: sensitive, comfort, and ultra close. Thanks to the magnetic housing, switching the heads is incredibly easy, and don't worry about blade replacement. The included blade magazine makes it absolutely safe for your fingers. This razor is compatible with all standard blades you can find on the market. There's also a bunch of add-ons, including a stylish stand and shaving brush. Plus, this thing comes in several cool colors. Do you fiddle with your pen while working or studying? Well, of course you do. So it's time to take it to a pro level. This pen is the most satisfying fidget toy you could possibly imagine. It uses the dual-threaded diamond screws that allow spinning the nuts in both directions. Incredibly smooth. Premium materials and precise machining make the pen feel really good in hand. Choose between aluminum and brass or get the limited edition gold and palladium version. The ergonomic design combined with the German ballpoint ensure great writing experience. And there's this additional case for storage. Meet the fidget toy of a grown man, a sleek and sturdy slider made of zirconium. It actually consists of 41 details. The strong magnets inside provide a perfect level of resistance, clicky sound, and smooth sliding motion. Well, that's all a man needs. Now, this thing is so much more than just an axe. It's an entire multi-tool, combining an ultra-sharp knife blade, gut hook, hammer, and a built-in ruler. You also get 5 wrenches and a hex bit driver. There's an integrated carabiner and lanyard hole for effortless carrying. Thanks to the innovative clamping system, attaching your axe head to the handle is literally a matter of seconds with those mounting pins. And on top of all that, you get this sturdy ballistic nylon sheath that has a strap loop as well as a special opening for your lanyard. Now, if you don't really need all those features, maybe you should go with the basic model. It still has the knife blade, yet it lacks the clamping system. You need to attach the axe with the paracord bracelet. And then there's this high-end titanium version. It brings the entire set of tools in a body that's half the weight of the original model. It's also the coolest one, with those blue anodized highlights. Here's a compact massager that'll help you relax and strengthen your muscles. The device is literally the size of a credit card, yet it provides 8 different modes and 10 intensity levels to choose from. When in wireless mode, you simply need to turn the gadget on and put it on your neck, hand, or wherever else you want. The built-in physical buttons let you adjust all the settings with ease, but you might also attach the wired electrode plates, covering 2 spots at once. The pads are made of synthetic leather, which is both comfy and easy to clean with water. Now, what's really cool, this thing lasts over 2 weeks on a single charge, and there are 2 different colors so you can match it with your sportswear. If you like your tools nice and slim, this one will definitely impress you. The multifunctional spanner is almost the size of a pen at just 2 ounces, yet it's entirely made of high-grade stainless steel. And most importantly, it comes with 10 interchangeable wrenches of various shapes and sizes. You can fix up to 5 wrenches right on the sleeve, easily swapping them on the go. They're suited for the most common everyday tasks, whether it's fixing your bike or desk lamp. Or maybe you have a bottle to open. This thing will do that as well. In addition, there's a nice pouch that lets you easily carry the entire set with you. This is just a tape measure, but it's going to save you a lot of precious time. See, this tool features an integrated display that automatically shows the result of your measurements. You can measure up to 63 inches with highest precision, and of course you're free to switch between various measuring units, but there's more. This thing is Bluetooth enabled, which means all the measurements can be transferred directly to your devices. Despite all these features, the gadget lasts over 10 hours on a single charge. You should also check out the previous model. Although it lacks that cool red color, this version has 3 modes for different use cases. Aside from the regular tape, there's a wheel for irregular and odd-shaped objects, plus the remote mode helps you measure objects that are out of your reach. Great!